Yeah, sometimes like talking on the phone, there's like, for me anyway, sometimes there's awkward pauses, or like there is like if you're face to face with someone, and there isn't really awkward pauses when you're texting, although there might be silence. There might be no replies for a while, which can be frustrating, but it's not as bad as awkward pauses if you're like talking to someone on the phone. Voicemails are okay too, sometimes. But yeah, uh, texting. So, one thing that's nice on here on this Android phone, um, you dial for messaging. If you send a message to 611 and you just type in balance, you'll get so you don't have to call to get your balance. You can get your balance right on your phone here. Because over here on the other one, it tells me my that's one thing that annoyed me at first, because I didn't realize I could do that on the Android phone. Because on this one, the regular phone, it tells you your minutes and your service. But on this one, there was nothing. When you turn the phone on, it doesn't just say your minutes. You have to actually send a message to 611 to get your balance, and it'll tell you. See, like right here, my minutes are like 6,948 because I never talk to anyone on the phone. Like sometimes I'll call like the bank or like some kind of business or something, but I really don't call anywhere that often at all. So I got like almost 7,000 minutes on here. In messaging, since I don't have a woman to text with, I have 3,465 uh, potential messages. Uh, no data. So then, yeah, and then it's got your service and date on here. So that's a neat thing that you can do. Although one annoying thing about texting for me is, um, see, it's definitely nice compared to the other one because you don't have to like push a number like 2 or 3 times to get a letter. So because you got your letters right here and there's numbers up there, but it can be very frustrating because um, the buttons, like my thumb, I don't know if it's the buttons that are too small or my thumb is too big, but I frequently hit the wrong letter on here, and that's really irritating because it happens a lot sometimes. Or like the autocorrect thing. Oh, that's irritating too. That's happened a lot where like I type in a word and it like maybe there's a typo, and or like I even type it in right, like exactly how I want the word to be typed in, but it thinks I mean it like it corrects it to a completely different word. And sometimes I don't catch that and I send the message out that way, so that's really irritating. So that's definitely an annoying thing about texting. Don't have that problem when you're just talking to someone. You don't get autocorrect when you're just talking to someone. At least you shouldn't.